Okay, just really quick here. A couple of you all are having trouble getting your GPS coordinates in Google Earth into the proper units of measure, which that would be decimal degrees. You still have it in the default, which is degrees, minutes, and seconds. And that's really an older way to write this. And I don't know why that's the default setting, but it's much, much easier to use those decimal degrees. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So if you look at the bottom of the screen where my cursor is right now, you can see the numbers moving. Of course, you've experienced this. This is your latitude and longitude. So mine currently is in decimal degrees. And you can see there's just a 1 point something and a negative 67 point something. That's where I am right now on the map. And as I move, it's moving. But it's in decimal degrees. So how do you change that over to decimal degrees? So what you'll do, and you can see on the map, I have South America, I have Chichen Itza here highlighted, Mexico, Central America. So to find out decimal degrees, I'm going to kind of zoom in here to Chichen Itza, just so we'll kind of have a point, and I'm going to put it down here close to the bottom of the screen so we can see the cursor moving. So to change your decimal degrees, go up here to the first little menu that you see, and under Tools right here, I want you to click Tools, go down to the bottom where it says Options. Click that box, or that prompt that says Options. You'll see this box pop up. And right here, it says Show Lat Long. And it says Unit of Measurement, etc. Right here on this list, it says it has a different types of degrees that you can use. So the default, I'm guessing because you all have it in minutes and seconds, was probably originally degrees, minutes, and seconds. You see that I click this, and I'm going to hit apply and OK. Now you see down here in my reading, I have the 20-degree symbol, there you have minutes, and there you have seconds. So this is what we don't want because this is more complicated. You also see that there's no negative sign in front of the west longitude. And if you remember from one of the very first videos and lessons that we had from lesson 1 back in the very beginning, if you use decimal degrees, you don't even have to put the north and west letters on there. Positive means north in latitude. Negative means west and longitude. So you know automatically if it's reading negative 88, you're in the west longitude. If it's positive, you're in the east longitude. So we're going to change it back now. And you're going to see it'll have a negative, I think it has a negative sign. I don't think it still says west when we do it on decimal degrees. So let's go back to Tools, click Tools, go down to Options, and then the first one, you'll want to click decimal degrees. You have to hit apply after that. Apply, OK. And now you can go down here and you can see that it's in decimal degrees. It just has the initial number 20 point whatever. And you can see the north and west went away. Now you have just positive or negative. So you don't actually see the west. Sometimes people still put the west, the W on there, but you don't have to because you see that negative sign in front of it. So that's how we do the decimal degrees in Google Earth. So if I'm sharing this video with you, that means you haven't done that yet in your assignments, and you really need to get that in your assignments. Once you set it once, you shouldn't have to set it again on your device. It should automatically keep doing that. Remember, you have to hit that apply button. When you go to the menu, you have to hit apply after you make your selection and then OK, or it won't do anything. So that should take care of that for you. If you have any questions or you're still having problems with this, just let me know and I'll make sure that I'll get you the help that you need and we'll figure it out. Thanks.